Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to set up an appointment booking system in Hostinger website builder. I will show you how to create one for a property viewing appointment that is useful for real estate persons. First, I will show you how to create an appointment in Hostinger, then how to edit your availability and unavailable times, and also I will show you the messages that your customers will receive. And let's give a view of how the system works. Just pick the date, the time, click on book, and your customer will need to fill in a few information like the contact, the name and the country, and hit book. Thank you. You receive an email confirming your booking shortly. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. So first, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account. If you don't have one, you can create one, or you can test drive Hostinger website builder at no extra cost to you because they offer a 30-day money back guarantee, full money back guarantee. Just don't redeem the free domain to not get its price is excluded. And if you want to get a 7% discount on Hostinger website builder account, just use my affiliate link, which is hostinger.com/deal now. Using this link will support me at no extra cost to you because this is my affiliate link. Now, after logging to your Hostinger account, go to websites, and here you will see a list of the available websites. If you have a website ready, click on manage store. If you don't have a website and you want to create it, click on add website button, select Hostinger website builder, and then fill in your brand name and website description here. I already have a very detailed video about how to create a website using Hostinger AI. Just look for it on YouTube or just look for it. Now, in my case, I already have a website ready. So next to it, I will click on Manage Store. This is the store management area. Now go to Appointments, and then click on Create Appointment button. First, fill in your appointment title. For all of those information, I asked ChatGPT to give me data. So for the title, I will go with property viewing appointment. For the subtitle, I will go with book a private viewing with our real estate agent. For the description, I will go with this short description because they work better than long ones. Schedule a private property viewing at a time that works for you. Visit the property, ask questions, and explore the space in person with our agent. For the uploads, you can either upload images and generate details with AI, or simply upload images. Because I already have data or details, I will upload I will only upload photos. Where are my photos? Here they are. I think yes, this is good. So those are my photos. Here you can select multiple photos all at once. Click on open, and all of them will upload to Hostinger. Now that the photos are uploaded, you can reorder them as you want them. For example, let's place this first, then this for sale, and okay, let's keep this one at the end. Here for your appointment duration and location, you can set an appointment duration using minutes or hours. For example, here let's go with 30 minutes as the appointment duration. Fill in 30 minutes, and the minimum notice time, same thing, minutes, hours, or even days. This prevents last minute bookings by adding a notice period before the next meeting. So I will go with a minimum of 4 hours. So I will 4, and here I will select hours, or the opposite, select the hour first, then fill in 4. For the location type, you can select between in-person, phone, you fill in your phone number, custom location, or a Google meeting. So I will go with in-person, And here let's go with this address, and then we will visit the property, for example. Or you can go with, you can update this per property if needed. This means you can create multiple properties, and for each property you give it its custom address or custom location. Now in the pricing section, you can offer this appointment for free and also hide the add to back button to not confuse your website viewers, or go with an amount. For example, I will go for example, $40, I don't know, and discount it to 20. Now, okay, I think, or let's keep it free. Okay, and here in the advanced elements, you can enable customers to personalize this product by adding a custom text on it. In our real estate scenario, for example, I can ask for what is your age, but I recommend you, I will use this customization here just to show it later, because avoid too many fields, because fewer fields equal more bookings. Now you can make this field mandatory or optional. I will go with optional. Here you can add or you can add an info section. For example, let's add info section. You can go with what to bring, for example. Save. You can add a second one. Cancellation policy. I will ask GPT, give me an example of cancellation policy. This is the cancellation policy. And here in categories, you can go with, here I suggest property tools. You can assign a new category from here. For example, what's the category? Property viewing. Let's add this new one. Click on add, new category added, and select it. As you see, it was selected here. Now click on save. New product added, property viewing appointment. As you see, it is available for free, duration 30 minutes, and this is a snapshot of the appointment. After adding your appointment, it is better to edit the availability next thing. So here, make sure to use your correct time zone to avoid time zone issues. Here you can connect your Google Calendar to sync appointments with your personal calendar to avoid double bookings, which is good. Let's show you how to, or before connecting my Google Calendar, let's set up my working hours. This is my calendar. For example, set when you are typically available. So let's say that on Mondays I am available from 9 a.m. to 12, and then you can add a second time slot. So this is why this is what I am trying to show you. Same thing for the other days. You can make Saturdays and Sundays available, or not, just like this. And now you can even add the set days when you're unavailable. For example, today is 27th of January. For example, on the 13th of January, I am not available. Just pick a date from here, or multiple dates. This is the calendar, multiple days, and you will see them here. So these are dates, or the dates when you are unavailable. So even this calendar is enabled, on those dates will not booking up an appointment will not be possible. Click on save, and those are the your unavailable times. Now let's see how to connect Google Calendar to sync appointments with your personal calendar on your smartphone. For example, click on connect. Here, don't I think any editing on your Google Calendar will not be synced with Hostinger website builder appointment system. The opposite is so select your Google Calendar, oh my bad, select your Google account that you want to connect. click on continue. And just like that, your Google Calendar is connected. You can simply, if you want to disconnect it, simply click on disconnect. Now that I've created my appointments and also edited my availability, let's view my website live. Go to store. As you see, I still can't see the appointment product live because I need to click on edit website and then update my website to publish my new appointment booking product. Now let's view my website live. Go to store, and this is my property viewing appointment product. Let's open it first. This is the appointment title, subtitle. The amount is free, the duration is 30 minutes, and this is the location. What is your age? This is the customization that you can add. This is the book now button. What to bring as the info sections. And this is the product photo. Of course, you can place those small photos here on the side. This is possible with Hostinger website builder. And of course, the appointment, the product description here. Now, if you click on book now, this calendar window pops up with small details like the location, duration, what is your age, the description, what to bring, cancellation. And here, as you see, today you can pick this. You can no time slots available for this day because it is late on the day. Same thing, but tomorrow you can book all of those dates. But on the unavailable dates, as you see, I think I blocked this Friday and Saturday or something like this. I can't pick those dates. Now, when your customer pick a booking date, he can click on book. And then he will arrive on this page. All he needs to do, fill in, since my booking is free, all he needs to fill in is the contact email address, the billing name and country, and click on continue. Thank you. You receive an email confirming your booking shortly. Click on done. Now let's see. Okay, let's see the booking, how the booking looks like on your calendar on Hostinger Builder. So I will switch to the store area. Then go to orders. And you will see this booking. Payment not required, fulfillment unfulfilled. Let's open it. And this is the booking details. You can see the customer details like name, address, email. You can see the information about the booking like the time, the date. You can mark it as completed from here. You can create an invoice for this booking. And for the appointments, as you see from this overview appointments page, you can see the upcoming appointments and also the past appointments. I think now let's see how your client, or let's see the email message that your website client will receive. And this is the email message that your client will receive: invitation for property viewing appointment at this date and time. And here your customer will see when, location, organizer, the guest, and invitation from Google Calendar. I think this message came because I connected my Google Calendar and not from my Hostinger delivered emails. As the client, I received two messages. The first one is this one: your order has been confirmed. And if you want to give Hostinger Website Builder a free test drive with a 7% discount, just go to hostinger.com/deal now. This is my affiliate link, so using it will support me at no extra cost to you. Link in the description. As the client, I received two messages. The first one is this one: your order has been confirmed, the order number, and the products, the payment, the payment, and also the date. And this second email is this one: thank you for your appointment. Your appointment is confirmed. The appointment details, the title, the when, where, and also the price, and the client, and my formation as the client. As the store owner or as the website owner, I received this email message titled, you have received a new order. This is the order number. You can click this view order button and go to your online store page. This is the appointment date, the appointment title, the paid price, and also the customer information. And with this, we conclude this Hostinger appointment system tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.